guys doing? Today I'm going to be making tiger nut drink or tiger nut milk, whichever you call it. The one in the house has finished, so I want to make another batch. This drink, I don't like it to get finished in this house, so whenever it finishes, we make another one. So today I'm going to be making my tiger nut drink, and I want to carry you guys along. Excuse my pajamas and my air bonnet, but yeah, I just have to do this quickly before I do any other thing, because now is the time I can do this. My tiger nuts is already soaked. I will be washing it, and I soak that for 3 days. You can decide to soak for 2 days, depends on how fast you want to make yours. So I want to show you guys this recipe, and I want you guys to come with me while I'm making this. So let's do this together, okay? So I'm going to wash that now. I'm going to wash the tiger nuts now. When making tiger nut drink, you will need your tiger nuts, the key ingredient, then you need your dates, and you need coconut. Why? It's optional, you can use ginger, but yeah, ginger gives it a really good taste, and ginger also have many benefits. Okay, so I'm going to add ginger to it. So lovelies, let's go and make this drink. Yeah, leave there. So these are my ginger, and I'll be adding it to this drink. This ginger like this is 2,000 naira. See, this small ginger. I'm going to be using everything for this drink because it's one basket of tiger nuts. So I'm using all for this drink I'm making. Very soon I won't have need to buy ginger anymore because I have a garden, and in my garden I'm growing ginger there. Yes, that is the benefit of having a garden. I'm sure you guys saw that when I went outside to watch the tiger nut. So that's my garden. I have plantain there. I plan on planting scent leaf, vegetables. Yeah, so I already have ginger growing over there. It's not yet matured. When it is matured, I won't have need to buy ginger anymore. Yes, that's the benefit of growing your own stuff. So yeah, I'm going to add this ginger, then I'll add coconuts, then I'll add dates, and that is it. We are blending next. Okay, so let me show you one quick hack I'm going to use to remove the skin from this ginger. This skin, I'm going to use the spoon to remove it instead of using knife. I discovered that using spoon is more better. Using spoon, you save more of your ginger, and it saves time compared to using knife. You know these branches of this ginger, there are so many branches here, and it tends to make it difficult when you are removing the skin, but doing that I find it a lot easier. So let me show you guys how I do that. Okay, and let's prepare this drink. See how easy it is to take off the skin with this spoon. Lovelies, while doing this, I just remember that usually I don't remove the skin of my ginger, but because I've told you guys that I'll be using spoon, I want to show you how it is done. So I'm going to finish this one. After I finish this one, I'm not going to do this again. I'm just going to wash it and put it inside I'll put it together with my tiger nuts and blend everything together. This is my already seeded dates I took from the ones I used to make my date syrup. So this has been in my freezer for long. So I'm going to make this now. See how they stick together. So I'm going to add these dates to my tiger nuts. The next thing we are adding is the coconut. Can you see how smooth this is? So smooth. This is how you want yours to be. This is the quantity of drink we realized from sieving. I'm going to sieve this again, so it's going to be twice. And this is it is small like this because it is thick. The drink is thick, but if I added enough water to this, it will be more than this. And if you are doing this for commercial purpose, do not make it as thick as this because you are going to run at loss. This is for my home. I'm doing this for the family, so that's why it's as thick as this. But if you want to sell, don't make it as thick as this, okay? So I'm going to strain this again so that it's going to be really smooth when drinking. This second time, just pour it like so, and it's going to be good. You don't have to squeeze. Pour it like this, and everything will be smooth. You don't have to squeeze, just do it like so. Second time is pretty fast, just the same way we did that of the date syrup. That is what I'm doing it to. If you watch that video, you know what I'm saying. If you don't watch that video, after this one you can go and check how to make date syrup with a vlog like this also. I'm going to leave the video in the description so that you can check it. With this, you need to really work fast. I'm going to be keeping it in the freezer so that it does not get spoiled, because this can get spoiled really fast. I brought this drink out from the freezer. I almost forgot I didn't show you guys before putting them in the freezer. So this is how they are looking, and this is how it's looking back inside the freezer. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comments.